50 English idioms hide inside emojis, 3 seconds each, and one near the end fools almost everyone. 2 emojis, 1 idiom. Name it? Piece of cake. It just means something's very easy. And stay sharp. One near the end fools almost everyone. Chili clue. Which saying? Break the ice. It means easing the tension to start a conversation. Secret clue. Name it? Spill the beans. It means to accidentally reveal a secret. Downpour clue. Which saying? Raining cats and dogs. It just means it's raining extremely heavily. Pricey clue. Name it? Cost an arm and a leg. It means something is shockingly expensive. Bedtime clue. Which saying? Hit the sack. It's a casual way to say you're off to bed. Poorly clue. Name it? Under the weather. It's a gentle way to say you're feeling ill. Grit your teeth clue. Which saying? Bite the bullet. It means bravely facing something painful. Good luck clue. Name it? Break a leg. It's actually a theatrical way of wishing good luck. Careless clue. Which saying? Cutting corners. It means doing something cheaply to save effort. 10 down. What's your score? Your turn clue. Name it? Ball in your court. It means the next decision is up to you. Mistaken clue. Which saying? Barking up the wrong tree. It means chasing a completely wrong idea. Hidden good clue. Name it? A blessing in disguise. It's a good thing that first seemed bad. Notice the pattern. Each clue is 2 emojis. Late night clue. Which saying? Burn the midnight oil. It means working long into the night. Rare clue. Name it? Once in a blue moon. It describes something that happens very rarely. 2 for 1 clue. Which saying? Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It means solving 2 problems at once. Secrets out clue. Name it? Cat out of the bag. It means a secret has slipped out by accident. Perfect timing clue. Which saying? Speak of the devil. You say it when someone appears as you mention them. Final straw clue. Name it? The last straw. It's the small final problem that makes you snap. Pointless regret clue. Which saying? Cry over spilled milk. It means fretting over what you can't change. 20 in, still perfect? Spot on clue. Name it? Hit the nail on the head. It means describing a problem exactly right. Nervous clue. Which saying? Cold feet. It means getting suddenly nervous before a big step. Jittery clue. Name it? Butterflies in your stomach. It's that fluttery feeling of nerves. Never ever clue. Which saying? When pigs fly. It's a funny way to say something will never happen. Slow down clue. Name it? Hold your horses. It simply means slow down and wait a moment. Payback clue. Which saying? A taste of your own medicine. It's the bad treatment you gave others. Here's the thread. Sound each pair out. Dodge the point clue. Name it? Beat around the bush. It means avoiding the real point of a talk. Ignored problem clue. Which saying? The elephant in the room. It's an obvious problem everyone ignores. Extra effort clue. Name it? Go the extra mile. It means making a special extra effort. Credit thief clue. Which saying? Steal your thunder. It means taking the credit you deserved. 30 cracked. Subscribe if you're winning. Blissful clue. Name it? On cloud 9. It describes being blissfully, perfectly happy. Make it worse clue. Which saying? Add fuel to the fire. It means making a bad situation even worse. Too costly clue. Name it? Break the bank. It means something costs far too much money. Deal with it later clue. Which saying? Cross that bridge. It means handling a problem only when it arrives. Don't assume clue. Name it? Count your chickens. The full saying warns against assuming success too early. Bright side clue. Which saying? Silver lining. It means every bad thing still hides some good. Own up clue. Name it? Face the music. It means accepting the consequences of your actions. Out of control clue. Which saying? Get out of hand. It means a situation has spun completely out of control. Time to go clue. Name it? Hit the road. It's a casual way to say it's time to leave. See how each pair spells one saying. In trouble clue. Which saying? In hot water. It means being in serious trouble. 40 done. The tricky one's coming. Subscribe. Follow the crowd clue. Name it? Jump on the bandwagon. It means joining something just because it's popular. Watch closely clue. Which saying? Keep an eye on. It means to watch something very carefully. Pass away clue. Name it? Kick the bucket. It's an old, lighthearted way to say someone died. Search everywhere clue. Which saying? Leave no stone unturned. It means searching absolutely everywhere. Miss chance clue. Name it? Miss the boat. It means missing a good opportunity by being too slow. Undecided clue. Which saying? On the fence. It means being unable to decide between two choices. Unexpected clue. Name it? Out of the blue. It means something happening totally unexpectedly. Hidden meaning clue. Which saying? Read between the lines. It means finding a meaning that isn't stated outright. Here's the tricky one. Name it? A wolf in sheep's clothing. It means a danger hiding behind a kind mask, the one I warned you about. Final idiom. Crack it? The early bird catches the worm. It means those who act first win the best reward. That's 50. Score 40 plus, and you're an emoji quiz master. Drop your score and subscribe.